Hey everyone, Tom Gerlecki, Kriete Truck Center out of Green Bay. This truck today is a 2026 Hino L6. It's a 25950 GVW, so it is a non-CDL. Cummins engine, 260 horsepower, 660 foot-pounds of torque. This one is a 271-inch wheelbase, which is going to give you a 204-inch CA. Steel wheels. Air ride suspension. Single leveling valve. A 90-gallon aluminum fuel tank. Engine block heater. This has an Allison 2500 RDS transmission in it. Cloth seats, air ride driver's seat, and a 2-man bench. This truck is available immediately. If you need help with financing, we can do that in-house. If leasing is your choice, we certainly have an in-house leasing department as well. There are a ton of options available for extended warranty on both the chassis and the engine. Please give us a call at Kriete Truck Centers.